Not a bad view to wake up to. But it's now time for breakfast. We've got a feast. We've got omelette, ham, sausage, some sort of muffin, fruit, juice, coffee, Lauren. So we've decided that today is going to be a nice, well, probably the next few days are going to be nice and relaxed and chilled
days.
Yeah, so we're at the rooftop pool. The views are unreal. Bit of sun, not too much, but it's been nice, hasn't it?
It's been so good. Like whenever you get really hot, you can just get into the water, and then you jump back out and you just process repeat. It's lovely though. We're going to walk down. No, actually, we're not going to walk. We're going to get a taxi or something down to the beach, and there's like a little town nearby. We're going to get a massage.
We are. We're going to get a massage.
An hour-long massage.
We're going to do it properly.
Yeah, we are.
Why not?
Why not? Well, we're here because the thing is, like, we'd never be able to afford anything like this at home. So we've just had an authentic Thai massage. My lady, who was doing mine, was like really petite and lovely, and I couldn't stop giggling though at the start actually, because they'd just like massage you, it'd be right good, and then they'd just like clout you.
They'd just
like,
smack you.
Yeah, they would just smack you.
And then, so Lauren's were nice and small. Should have seen mine. Should have. Anyway, I won't be rude, but
mine proper, they like climb up on you.
Yeah, they like sit on you, and then they're proper digging elbows in, putting all weight on.
And it was like.
and then also towards the end of it, she like tapped me on the shoulder, and I turned around. She goes like, yeah, and I thought, oh, is she asking if it's good? I said, yeah, it's good. Next thing, she cracked my neck. It was like, and Lauren didn't dare have it, but it was good.
Like, do you want it? I was like, no, thank you, it's fine.
So we're gonna go. Hello.
Hello.
No, it's okay. We're good, thank you. We've eaten. Later. Yes, thank you.
Do not.
Andy from England, champion.
We ended up just watching the world go by from this balcony with a drink before going for a closer look at the beach. It was then time for a ride home in a tuk-tuk.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's this, our third day here? Or second full day. We're starting the day off with a trip to 7-Eleven because we're just trying to cut back on spending slightly. But we've got an exciting day ahead. Lauren's planned it. Thank you. Should we sit across?
Yeah.
So, we're on our way back into Aonang, like the main part of it. We've got a free little shuttle from our hotel, which is good. And Lauren is taking us on a monkey trail.
I've planned the whole day, so you just know it's going to be fantastic. As we're leaving the hotel, the guy there goes, "Oh, you look like this famous Thai model," to Tom. And Tom just turns around and goes, "I might use that to my advantage, thanks mate." I'm like, what are the chances that he'd be able to understand that through the accent to like the British slang? So big shout out to Sasa, who's just stopped us trying to sell us first a massage and then an island tour. But she said her best friends are from the UK and they're called Mark and Sue, and they've been coming to the island for about 10 years now. So she said, because they're my best friends from the UK and you're from the UK, let me give you a gift. So we're like, oh, go on then, what are you going to give us, Sasa? And she comes back with some pineapple. So we've both got a slice of pineapple, haven't we?
We do.
And we've got a leaflet for a massage. Another thing that we've noticed is whenever we walk past the bar, it's always happy hour. So Tom will walk past first and they'll say, beer, 100, what is it, baht?
100 baht.
100 baht. And then I'll like look at it and Tom's like thinking, oh right, yeah, 100 baht. And then they look at me and go, cocktail, also 100 baht, nice and strong for you. I'm thinking, oh crikey.
They've got us English, sus.
Yeah, they have. They know he wants a beer and I want a cocktail, strongest and cheapest. Eh?
Too right. So it's now time to head to the monkey trail. We didn't have the pineapple, so we've ended up sitting down and having a Coke at the cafe so that we could leave the pineapple with them so they could put it in the bin or whatever.
Because the thing is, I'm sure the pineapple was fine, But if we get poorly by it and someone says, how did you get ill? And we say, oh, this random woman gave us pineapple and we ate it, then...
we'd feel pretty silly.
Yes, we would.
Anyway.
You okay? You okay?
All good, I think. So this is the trail. Or the start of it.
We started the monkey trail, and then when we were like a third of the way up, we bumped into an Australian lady and we said, have you seen any monkeys? And she said, no, we've been all the way up the trail and we haven't seen any. I think it's too hot for them.
So we're coming back down. Lauren were like, well, let's sack that off.
I agree with monkeys, it's way too warm.
So we are boiling, it's sweaty as anything, but we've made our way back down now and we're going to try again later.
And I feel sorry for these people because nobody would voluntarily go on a hike, would they?
I think some people would.
Nobody. When it's this hot.
So Lauren, we've no plan now.
Well, let's go back to the pool.
So we're back in town of Aonang, or however you say it, and we're trying the monkey trail again, and hopefully we can find some monkeys this
Tom
time.
wasn't very happy last time.
Yeah.
Also, this lady just come up to me. She tried to sell us a massage, but she went, you're so sunburnt, and I'm like, yeah. In fact, it doesn't even look that bad there.
It does, you can tell.
Oh, it does it?
Yeah, it looks horrendous. But yeah, it's called Monkey Trail. How can it be called that if there's no monkeys?
They're all absolutely exhausted.
Failed again. No monkeys to be seen. So now it's time for the fire show.
We got to the beach in time for sunset, which was absolutely gorgeous. This was followed by some kids playing with fire. So we've just gone around the night market in Aonang after seeing a fire show. I'm sure you would have seen all the clips of that. Tom's just got a ginormous Chang and I've got a Coca-Cola. We've ordered 2 different types of noodles, so we'll see what they're like. This is our first attempt of like street food type, but it seems a bit more bougie than that. We then headed home for an early night for a big adventure tomorrow. Good morning. So today we're going on a island tour. There's absolutely loads to it. We're going to Monkey Island, all these different places. I can't quite remember where we're going. Maya Bay.
There's loads. James Bond Island.
Yeah,
so
but we are setting off now.
So we've just had our pep talk from Kip Kip and we're now walking along the beach. We've got our boat. We're just trying to follow and not get lost because there's a lot of people knocking about. So hopefully it's good. We'll see.
Don't bother it, it's just changing the engine.
First, wait right here first. Wait for another boat come to pick up us to the island.
So our boat's broken down, a part of the engine broken, so we pulled into this little bay about 10 minutes from the start and now we're waiting to get picked up by another boat. But we had to walk on that wobbly thing, didn't we?
Yeah, that was an experience.
Lauren was scared, but yeah, valuable time wasted here, but we're happy.
So I do feel a bit more happier. We've got a bit of shade and some Aussies. And things are looking up. They're hopefully going to get a boat soon, which is positive, and then we can resume our journey. The journey resumed and we zoomed to our first stop.
Thank you. So we're at Bamboo Beach. It's very nice.
It's beautiful.
But I went snorkelling and it's pretty hard. I tried with GoPro and I couldn't swim with it, so I need a bit of practice. Did see a few fish and then But Lauren can't go in, can you? Because of her ears.
Yeah.
And she's feeling a little bit sorry for herself.
I am.
Because
I
everyone...
thought when it was snorkelling, you do that thing where you like jump off the boat and then just have a swim around. You know how you see on the videos, whereas it's not, it's like this beautiful beach, so I haven't bought any swimming stuff with me either, have I?
Nah. So it's a bit of a shame.
It's a bit stupid.
But we're going to try and get some swimming stuff at the next place.
We then went for a quick stop at Phi Lee Lagoon before heading to Maya Bay.
So we're now at Maya Bay.
But we're not allowed to swim. Well, I wouldn't swim anyway, but Tom's not allowed to swim because sharks.
It's not because of sharks.
It is.
Isn't it to preserve it, I think?
So why are they letting like 20 million boats going in? If they want to
No,
swim?
because that's not it. Maya Bay is over here, that's where we're walking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It is because of sharks, which is why we can't swim in Maya Bay. I heard him say it with my own ears before it all went pee-tong with the boat.
Maya Bay.
It is beautiful. The water's like crystal clear.
It is beautiful. We're going to go for a little foot paddle since
But
we're not
that's
allowed
it?
to swim. Yes, no further.
No. We were then super excited as we spotted some chickens, but little did we know that a monkey would be waiting for us.
Finally.
Oh, your face just lit up. We went for a quick look around the Viking caves before arriving at Phi Phi Islands for lunch.
It's literally not raining.
Squeezing in.
Lauren's happy now. Buffet time.
Aye.
That good, Lauren? It's a little spot. We don't know whether it's always like this, but the toes felt a bit rushed today. It might...
So rushed. I mean, it probably didn't help that obviously the boat broke, because obviously that's not a vibe. But it's literally like, right, you've got 40 minutes in for this place, right, take a few pictures and then we'll move on, and right, you've got an hour here including lunch. So it's like, what's it called?
Kip kip.
Kip kip. Calm down. Right?
Right.
Before heading back, we had one last spot for snorkelling. It was so amazing to see so many tiger fish until this fella scared them off. I'm so happy to be doing this journey with Tom.
To be fair, she did just say that, not even on camera, so must be true.
Yeah,
Well, I'm
definitely true.
glad to be doing it with you.
I'm really feeling the love.
Very nice. I'm really feeling the love too. But that is the end of the trip. It's about 5:30 now, and we set out at about 8 o'clock this morning. So
We've done a full day
it's
shift.
been a long job, but it has been. In the end, it's been really good.
Really good.
I
yeah.
think we were in a bit of a. How do you
I
explain?
don't really like boats, so I was really nervous about going on a boat anyway. And then when like the engine broke, I kind of thought like, oh my gosh, I've just paid like 40 quid each, and I could lose my life. That's what I thought. That is what I thought.
We
Tom.
made it back onto dry land. Oh,
Yeah, I've so enjoyed it. Like, all the islands are just amazing. Like,
It is
they're
beautiful.
so beautiful. And it's such like an eye-opener how things get ruined from tourism.
all right.
Because
Preach it.
well, I am gonna. Things get ruined from tourism because like all the boats that were here today and all the people on like all the islands, and you can just like imagine that the wildlife and the ecosystem is becoming less and less because all you can smell is just diesel when you go out onto the sea, and you think, what about the fishes? I mean, they might be okay and there might still be fish, but they might have like 6 fins.
Right, I'm gonna have to leave it there because my arm is killing me. So hopefully Lauren's finished.
I am. Thank you for watching. Next time we head to the island of Koh Samui, so if you want to see that, then please subscribe and we will see you next time.